Welcome to my video lecture. I am Dr. A. Velmurugan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Chettikare, Dharwad. In this video lecture from upcoming semester Thermal Engineering 2, Unit 2 Steam Boiler, Module 7, Fuels, Solid, Liquid and Gaseous Fuels. The fuels and the types are solid fuels, liquid fuel and gaseous fuels. On the basis of occurrence, the fuels are classified for primary or natural fuel or secondary or artificial fuels. The fuels may be classified as chemical or nuclear. The chemical fuel is a substance which releases heat energy on combustion. The principal combustible elements of each fuel are carbon and hydrogen. Through sulfur is a combustible element too, but its presence in the final is considered to be undesirable. The classification of the fuels may be classified as the fuels can be classified according to they occur in nature called primary fuels or prepared called secondary fuels. They are in solid, liquid and gaseous fuels. From the classification, the fuels can be summarized as follows. The types of fuels: primary fuels, fuel which occur naturally such as coal, crude petroleum and natural gas. Coal and crude petroleum formed from organic matter many millions of years ago are referred to as a fossil fuel. From the secondary fuels, fuels which are derived from naturally occurring once by a treatment process such as coke, gasoline, coal gas, etc. On the basis of the physical states, the fuel, solid fuel, liquid fuel and gaseous fuel. From the solid fuel, the primary is naturally we get wood, peat, lignite, coal. From the preparing from the secondary fuels from the solid fuel, coke, charcoal, briquetting. From the liquid fuel from the primary fuel is a petroleum. After the secondary we get gasoline, kerosene, fuel oil, alcohol, benzene, shell oil. From the gaseous fuel from the primary we get natural gases. From the secondary sources we get petroleum gas, producer gas, coal gas, coke oven gas, blast furnace gas, carbureted gas, severe gas. From the fuel is primary fuel and secondary fuel. From the flow chart we have discussed about the primary fuel and the secondary fuel. From the primary fuel is a solid wood, peat, lignite and liquid fuel that is a crude oil. From the gas that is a natural gases. From the secondary fuel we get the solid coke, charcoal, briquettants. From the liquid we get petrol, LPG, fuel oil, alcohol, benzene, shell oil. From the natural gases we get coal gases, water gases, blast furnace gases, coke oven gases. What are the fossil fuels? The solid fuel we get the coal. From the liquid we get from the gaseous fuel. The fossil fuels took millions of the years to form. Once they are used we cannot replace them. Therefore we call them the solid fuel, liquid fuel and the gaseous fuels. The most of the coal was formed from plants which grew 300 million ago. The time period is called Carboniferous era. How the coal was formed from the swamp 300 years millions ago. Before the dinosaurs, the many giant plants dead in the swamps. After it will be decomposition from the 100 million ago, from the water the animals and are decaying, the dirt and dead plants. Over the millions of the years, the plants were buried under water and dirt. After we get it will be decomposed. Finally we get rocks and dirt. Finally from the bed there we get available of the white coal, that is a bituminous coal, anthracite coal, semi-bituminous coal, wood, lignites and brown coals are present. From the coal, it is a main constitution are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Moisture, ash, coal passes through the different stages during the formation of vegetation. These stages are the plant debris, peat, lignite, brown coal, sub-bituminous coal, semi-bituminous coal, semi-anthracite coal, finally we get graphite. The stages of the coal formation: the peat is a fibrous, soft, spongy substance in which plant remains are easily recognizable. It contains a large amount of water, must be dry before use. Lignite is formed when peat is subjected to increased the vertical pressure from the accumulating sediments. It crumbles with no trouble and should not be shipped or handled before use. Bituminous coal is greatly used in industries as source of the heat energy. Because of the bituminous coal it burns with longer yellow and smoky flames and has a high percentage of the volatile matter. The average calorific value of the bituminous coal is 31,350 kilojoules per kg. It may be two types of, namely coking and non-coking, semi-bituminous coal or semi-anthracite coal. From that, anthracite coal is known as a hard coal because it is hard and has a high luster. It is a very hard coal and shining black luster. It ignites slowly unless the furnace temperature is high. It is non-caking and has a high percentage of the fixed carbon. It burns either with very short blue flames or without flames. The calorific value of the fuel is very high, 35,500 kilojoules per kg, such as very suitable for the steam generation. The anthracite coal, bituminous coal from the lignite is available in Tamil Nadu, particularly from the place of Neyveli Lignite Corporation. The entire electricity from the fulfilled from the South India, from Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The Neyveli Lignite Corporation is the lignite is available in the above 100 years back. Next we have to see about the stages of the coal. The first stage is that is a big debris. After it will be changing from the timing, pressure and heat. It will be changing it will be formed from the lignite. Finally we get the brown coal, sub-bituminous coal or bituminous coal, semi-anthracite coal or anthracite coals. Finally we get the graphite. From the fuel it is a 50% carbon is present from the 345 millions ago. After the second stage is lignite, we get the 72% of the carbon is present from the lignite. After the third stage is bituminous coal, there is 85% of the carbon is present. Finally, we get anthracite coal, that is a 93% carbon is present. This anthracite coal is suitable for the steam generation. The ranking sequence are we get wood, peat, lignite, brown coal or bituminous coal or anthracite coal. In general, deposit close to the surface which can be worked by the strip mining produce more economical fuel than deep mined coal. Particularly from the thermal power plant, we have using for the anthracite coal to produce a better combustion and we produce a high steam. Next topic we have discussed about the petroleum, that is a liquid fuel. Petroleum, already I told about it, we have to get from the secondary process, from the thermal cracking or pyrolysis process, we get the gasoline from the different temperature, kerosene, fuel oil, alcohol, benzol and shake oil. The photographic view of the seabed from that petroleum refining process from the seabed or in this river bed. We have to produce the hydrocarbon molecules are present on the petroleum fuels. How oil and gases were performed in the ocean. The plant use sun energy to survive and animals get their energy by eating the plants. Plants and animals in the ocean die. The ones that are not eaten fall to the bottom of the sea. A few millions of the year later, layers of mud forms on the top of the dead animals and plants. Another few millions of the year later, layers of the sand builds up on top of the mud. The pressure of these layers of the mud and the sand squishes and turns into the mudstone. The pressure of all these layers of mud and the sand squashes and turns plants and animals to oil and natural gas. Now scientists burn the oil and gas in the power station, but that release the harmful gases. The fossil fuel is available from in worldwide, that is 85% of the world combustion energy. From this first photography, how to coal will be taken. It is an open cast mine or tunnel mines to take the coal, particularly from the anthracite coal or bituminous coal is taken from the place of Chhattisgarh or Jharkhand or Bihar. From that is a tunnel, we have to make the tunnel to take this coal. But in the Neyveli Lignite Corporation is the open cast mine. It will be taken from the lignite from the L shape. There is a three bed. The first bed is a sand bed, another bed is a fire clay, the last bed is a lignite. First of all, we should pump the water, and after that, after only we have to open the mines. The next photograph is oil. The petroleum gas will be taken from the seabed, that is from the oil well, to recover that from the thermal cracking process, to take the pyrolysis from the pyrolysis process, to from the refinery oil petroleum refinery process to extract the oil from the petroleum. The natural gas is available in the bed from the delta basin area, particularly from the delta area. From the river bed, we have more number of natural gas available. The natural gas power plant is available in the Ramanathapuram, in the place of Kayadar. They have produced from the natural gases from the methane is a raw material to run the gas turbine plant. Oil and natural gases from the methane is natural gas is used for the gas power plant made from the decayed remains of sea creatures with dead millions of the years ago. The schematic view of the bed: from the first layer there is the gas is available, then the second layer is oil is available, the third layer is water available. So we have to crack these gases, and from the oil well to from the natural gas will be extracted from the bed. Even though it was not made from the dead plants or animals, the nuclear fuel is considered to be a fossil fuel because it comes from the around ground and is running out. Next slide, we have discussed about the layers of the sand and the mud were heavy, and this weight turned from the sedimentary rocks. From the bottom of the sedimentary rocks there is a dead and decaying animals, that is a dinosaurs or other animals are present. It will be forming on the mud, and from the pressurized it will be formed from the compressed into oil. The heat from the earth, the weight of the rock causes the dead plants and animals are compressed into the layer from the show. We have to show this layer in black color layer, that is a compressed oil. Next slide, we have discussed about the how to petroleum recovery process. From the recovery process, there is various types of beds are available. First layer is a overlaying strata. Next layer is a gas. Third stage is oil. The oil is extracted from the well. And also the next category we have to discuss about the oil, and also we have to take the natural gases from the well. There is a first layer is a chemical and water. Second layer is a water. We have to extract these natural gases, and with the help of the chemicals to remove the natural gases, and the methane is separated from this oil. Next is the photograph view of the natural gases, methane and gases in the bedrock. We have to take the natural gases, the methane and from the seabed, and also land also we have to extract the natural gases. The pie chart will be shown from the natural gases reserves in the overall world. From USA we get a farmer 42%, from Asia 35%, North and Central America 8%, and Africa 6%, and South America 4%, and Europe 4%, and Ocean 1%. From that Asia we have to take 35% of the natural gases. Thank you.